Sunday 18th May is today. Good evening and thanks for joining me in this video. Not the first APC chairman, not the second, not the third. Remember that APC shot their secretariat in the last 2 months when one of the administrators was kidnapped and APC paid 50 million naira ransom. And after paying 50 million naira, they don't even know that the kidnappers has already killed their member. And after paying the money, they informed them that their member has been killed a long time ago, that they just wanted to collect the money. Now, another APC chairman, this one is in the world level, has been killed in Ondo State. The message is simple. The message these people are passing is simple. Nobody will be exempted, when the calamity finally befall everyone. Whether you are in APC, you are in PDP, you are forming that nothing is going to happen to you, it is still going to come and happen to you, because what is happening at this moment now has no tribe, has no religion, has no political party. Everyone is going to pay the price for the ignorance or for the reactions that we did not carry out when we understand the way the country is going. Now, kidnappers killed Ondo APC chairman after receiving 5 million ransom. After receiving 5 million ransom. And this is what it reads, that the chairman of All Progressive Congress APC in Ward 5, Ifon, or the local government area of Ondo State, Adepoyigi, who was kidnapped at his residence in Ifon a few days ago, has reportedly been killed by his abductors. The chairman of the local government area, Honorable Barrister Clement Kolapo Ojo, confirmed the development in a statement issued by his media aide, Oluwaseun Oguni, on Saturday. Now, this APC chairman did not go to the farm, and maybe people would say he went to the farm, he was abducted, or on the road, they never knew the person they came to adopt, it was just coincidence, it was not planned. This one, they went to his home and took him from his home. So, I used to tell people that if the military barrack could be invaded, carry out mass slaughter against the military, who are the civilians to resist it? Anyway, civilians who really want to resist it will also resist it. But these are warnings, signs coming to you. If you like, you pay, deaf ear to it. When it comes, you will still understand. The article continues. However, Ojo confirmed that the kidnappers released 2 individuals' head after delivering a ransom of 5 million in food items intended to secure Adepoyigi's release. Now, any kidnapper that asks you to bring food while coming in Yoruba land, in Igbo land, in the Middle Belt, in the Niger Delta, all these areas, know that these are Fulani terrorists. There might be foreigners among them. There might be people coming from the northern part of the country. There might be people coming from Mali, because they don't have a home. They don't have connection with people from those areas. Now, they need food from people, they are victims, people they kidnap. They need money, they need drugs, they need cigarettes. When you just see a group of kidnappers demanding all these things, you people should put up a stiff fight. It is very easy to capture a kidnapper that is from your area than kidnappers who are not from your area, because they will base in the bush, they won't even come home. So because they are not among your people. So if you hear kidnappers demanding for food, know whom they are and use your strategy to go after them. Now, the article continues that while we are grateful that the 2 volunteers have now regained their freedom, it is deeply saddening and utterly painful that the life of Ransom Adepoyigi was brutally cut short by his captors, he said. The entire leadership of the people of Osendeko government area mourn his tragic loss. We extend our heartfelt condolences to the family, friends, and political associates of the deceased. He described insecurity as a serious threat to the people of the state, adding that a resident narrowly escaped being kidnapped a few days before this incident occurred. The pattern of brazen abduction, even at the very gates of people's homes, confirmed that insecurity has taken a dangerous and intolerable dimension, he said. Now, he made a point here that I emphasized before. If Fulani terrorists could start invading your homes to kidnap you, you know that it is finished. This is not homes any longer. They kidnap you, they demand for food because they don't have food. the demand for drugs, the demand for cigarettes after kidnapping you. Now, these people, this is not remote area like camps that they are sacking, killing, doing all sorts of things. We are talking about people's home in a developed community. And you said that things are working well. I don't know. Anyway, we are not doing the work we are supposed to do. I mean the media in Nigeria. Nobody should be exempted. We are not doing the work we're supposed to do. If media really want to help this country, they will rise up to the responsibility of conducting investigation and reporting the truth about insecurity. Insecurity is one of the most dangerous trends any country could face. People who are facing insecurity is even grievous than people who are facing war. War, you know that you are at war. But insecurity, they will tell you that nothing is happening. You will just go to farm, go to market, on your way coming back, you will be shot. But if it is war, you know that yes, there is a conventional war. It is happening. You prepare. If you want to escape, you escape. But this one is not like that. That is one of the tragic, issue about this kind of war that is going on in Nigeria. Now, the article continues that we urge our people to remain vigilant, promptly report suspicious activities to the nearest security post, and stand united as we work together to overcome these threats. Now, I made a video why people should sell their clothes, sell their land, and go and buy a gun. Get it registered, okay? Get it registered. I have the opportunity of speaking with people who are in police, and I spoke, as I said before, with DPO last 2 weeks, who told me about registration of gun. If you want to make it even simple for you, you join Vigilante Group. Join all those hunters association of Nigeria, not hunters who are coming to terrorize you, who don't have ID card, who have never even joined hunter association and they claim they are hunters. So if you join all those men, you license your gun. It is important now. Don't let anyone to deceive you. You must have gun. Gun will be part like a vehicle, like a car. Let me tell you, it's only few people that don't have gun now among the youth. If you conduct investigation, many people have gun. So it is not what someone will come out to tell you now, if you like, oh, don't buy gun, or don't do this. So it's not an S-bit. It's not like something illegal. Let me use that word. It's not illegal to possess arm in Nigeria. Possess arm, buy your gun and license it. If you can, look for something to sell. Learn how to should be security conscious. If we can do this, if we can get ready, we can defeat what is coming. We can defeat any threat facing any community. You can defeat it. But the way our people are showing non-readiness, what interests them is all about joining APC, joining political party, let you get money from politicians because of 2027. That is just what they are after. But time will come, we will regret for the mistakes we are making. Now, Sowore reporters earlier reported that the abduction of Adepoyigi had seized 2 individuals who attempted to deliver a ransom for Adepoyigi's release. So people who wanted to go and deliver the ransom, they were still kidnapped. And later they released those people and they killed the person they kidnapped. The kidnappers demanded an additional 30 million for their release. Adepoyigi was kidnapped on Monday at the entrance of Ifon along the Ifon road. The incident sent shockwaves through the local political community and the large Ondo public. According to family sources, the kidnappers had initially demanded 100 million ransom but later reduced the demand to 5 million and food items after negotiations. And this is the end of the article. Be mindful of what is going on and don't let anyone to deceive you that all is well. There is nothing that is well in Nigeria.